Hi, in this video I will show you how to prepare Turkish coffee. Let's go! I am preparing coffee for 2 persons. Because of this, I will tell you to prepare coffee only for 2 persons. Add 2 cups of water to the coffee pot. And then add 2 teaspoons Turkish coffee. Wait until it boils on low fire. You can serve after boiling. Generally, it serves water near to the coffee or mineral water and chocolate or bitter chocolate. In this video, you serve a special water that called yaban mersini. Now let's study the new words. Kahve fincanı, kahve fincanı, cezve, cezve, su, su, sade soda, soda. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe to my channel for more videos about Turkish language and culture of Turkey.